Hey there! Welcome back to another interesting video from DigiFix.
ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 4 is a powerful AI language model designed to understand and generate human-like text, making it useful for a wide range of applications, from conversation to creative writing. It can assist with tasks such as drafting emails, answering questions, or generating ideas for projects. Its advanced capabilities allow it to provide more nuanced, context-aware responses than previous models. Extended context window. The extended context window in GPT-4 allows the model to handle and remember up to 32,000 tokens of information in a single interaction, which is roughly 24,000 words. This enables it to process long documents, extended conversations, or complex data without losing track of important details. Conversation styles.
ChatGPT 4's conversation style is highly flexible, adjusting to your tone and context for a personalized interaction. Whether you're aiming for a lighthearted exchange or a more serious, focused discussion, it adapts effortlessly.
Role-playing scenarios.
ChatGPT 4 excels in role-playing scenarios, immersing itself in various characters or situations to create realistic and engaging dialogues. It can take on different personas, from mentors and customers to fantasy characters, adding depth to storytelling or practice sessions. This versatility makes it ideal for simulations, creative writing, or interactive learning experiences. Multi-language coding. ChatGPT supports multi-language coding, allowing you to work seamlessly across various programming languages. Whether you're writing in Python, JavaScript, C, or other languages, it can help you with syntax, debugging, and optimizing code. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool for developers working in diverse coding environments.
Thanks for watching. Try these tips and let us know in the comment section.